What is up, guys? So I'll be showing you how to add animation rigging into your Gorilla Tag fan game. This is better than IK, what I've heard. I'm not sure, but this is how you do it. So first you want to go to Window, Package Manager, go to Unity Register, search up animation, and you'll see animation rigging. Click install. Alright, once you have it installed, you want to close this. You want to drag in your model. So just go to Photon VR and your player. Once you're in your Photon player, you want to drag in your model you have. I'm just going to use this off a server I randomly found. Drag the model into head. Make sure it's in head, not anywhere else. Next, you want to make sure it's sized correctly and rotated correctly. So I'll be right back. Alright, once you have it sized correctly, you want to go to all these and you want to uncheck mesh render. Then you want to click on your model and make sure you have update bone offset. This will make sure the model doesn't hide like randomly when you're just playing the game. Once you have that, you want to click on top of this, right click, unpackage completely. Make sure you stay clicking it. Go to animation rigging and bone render setup. This will show all the bones that you have. If it doesn't look right, you might need to go into Blender and fix that. But this looks right to me, so I'm not. Next, what you want to do is go back to animation rigging and click rig setup. You'll see a rig right here. So once you have your rig, you want to right click, create empty, name this left hand, duplicate it by Control D, rename, right hand, click on both of them, make sure they're both highlighted. When you want to search up, you want to go to add component, and you want to go to animation rigging, and to bone IK constraint setup or script, whatever this is. Once you add the components, you want to go down in your amateur, go down and find your hands. So this is left and this is right. So you want to click left hand, drag your left hand bone into tip, click the three dots right here, auto set up from tip transform. Click that. It'll automatically set up this so you don't have to really put all the bones in. Do the exact same thing with the right hand, but with the right hand. Do that, and you have this. If this doesn't show, you might have to go back and fix something. So right now we'll fix the arms because these little red balls, they're not really set up correctly. So you want to go down into your left and right hand. You'll see left hand or right hand underscore hint. You want to turn on the grid, which is this little squares with the Y. And then you want to go into this corner right there. The same thing but opposite side. That corner. You want to go, what you want to do next is you want to go to left hand target, drag in left hand, right hand target, and drag it into right hand. This will move this on these red squares. Make sure you have gizmos on, but it should not show even with gizmos. But if it doesn't show red squares, you want to click this gizmos button, which is the circle with the three dots. Then you want to make sure the position is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And that should set the arms or hands correctly. So if we go back and click play, as you can see, the hands are now correctly put in and the arms go back just like in Gorilla Tag. The way you'll move it is you not by the targets you had from the Photon player, but with the left hand controllers still. And you'll see that the hand isn't positioned correctly. I'll show you how to fix that. So what you want to do is you want to click on this the red square, rotate it. So I would just go here, rotate, rotate, 90, 90. Now that's correct, so I would copy the rotation, go back to your photon player, then go to your, that was the left hand, so you want to go to your left hand target and do the exact same thing you just did to get the right rotation with the other hand. Alright, now your hands should be set up correctly if you did it right. And this is how you add animation rigging. Next video will be on how to add an offline rig with animation rigging. So, see y'all later.